Struggling to keep up with content for every platform? You are not the only one repurposing content manually every single week. It sounds smart to be on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, blogs, and email, but rewriting for each platform drains your time and energy fast. Here's a stat to wake you up. Over 80% of marketers say repurposing boosts reach and saves time. Yet most creators don't do it because it feels like extra work. That's where AI makes the game totally different. Repurposing means turning one piece of content into multiple native versions. Each platform speaks a different language, so copy-pasting won't work. With the right AI tools, you can do all of that in minutes. No stress, no burnout, and yes, better engagement. Step 1 is to pick your main content like a blog post or video. This will be your base for repurposing across other platforms. Step 2 is to pick the right format and tone for each platform. Instagram loves short captions, TikTok loves fast hooks, blogs need clarity. Step 3, use AI Creator Max to auto-generate each variation. You just pick a tool, paste in your content, and click generate. The AI knows what works best for each platform's audience. It rewrites your ideas to fit the exact vibe and structure. You'll go from one idea to 7 content pieces in less than an hour. More reach, less effort, and no creative burnout. Bonus tip: build your weekly content calendar in one batch. That way you'll never run out of content again. This is just one part of a full playlist on AI content automation, so binge the next video to multiply your content fast. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. More AI shortcuts are coming your way every single week. Want to try it out now and apply what you learned? Head to AICreatorMax.com and start repurposing with zero stress.